Two words. Two words.
First word.
Oh, first word, 3 syllables. First word,
One syllable.
1 syllable. Straight. Mahaba. Mahaba.
Sounds like
Straight. Line.
rope.
Straight.
Paano
Mahaba.
pa daw?
Mahaba. Long. Long. First word. Long distance. Ay. Long. Long. Long you.
Higa ka, tapos bangon ka.
First word, long.
Lock.
Long sleep. Long. Longer. Long. Second word. Ikaw. We.
Paslapas.
Us together.
Balik.
Family.
1 minute.
Us together.
Long.
Ano, longer. Pass.
So, dali lang yan.
Roll. Rock and roll. Forward.
First syllable.
First word. Roll. Roll.
Rolling in the deep.
Rolling in the deep. Yes! Oh. Ano, dali?
Third word.
Ilang words? 1 word. Ilang syllables? 1 to 3. 3 syllables. Ha? Sabi mo gusto ba?
Anong gusto?
Bawal. Sun, taas, langit,
Above.
above,
Up. Above.
heaven, nose,
Up.
heaven, up, taas,
God.
taas,
Heaven. Sky.
2 minutes,
3.
white,
Sun.
1 word, 3 syllables, above, above, sa taas, flagpole, first syllable, second syllable, sounds like, sounds like, ano yan?
Pass.
Pass na. Ito, 3 minutes. 3 seconds.
3 seconds.
Ay, 3 seconds. 3 more.
Word. First word. Third word.
Third word.
Here.
Lupa.
Land.
There.
Sounds like above the sky. Above the heaven.
Above. Jesus. Lord.
Above all else.
Jesus.
Here on us.
Jesus and devil. Ay. Jesus, devil. Jesus. And.
On.
Jesus and devil. Third word.
Third word.
Devil. Jesus.
Angel in the sky.
Jesus.
Devil
Angel.
on land. Devil on land.
Heaven.
Heaven.
Pray. Heaven knows. Heaven and devil. Heaven and land.
Heaven on land.
Heaven and earth. Heaven. Truth.
Here.
Here.
Heaven
is here. Jesus is here.
Lower
Dito.
down, lower. Dali mo
Saan?
daw.
Hinaloka yun.
Dali mo.
Yung mukha niya nangingiyak.
3 words.
Three words.
Oh. First word.
Split na.
Ikaw. I.
Me.
Me.
I am.
I am. Us. We.
I am yours.
I am.
You are. Third word.
Swimming. Swim.
Rampa ba dyan? Rampa.
Swim. Swimming.
Sounds like swimming.
Swim.
Swing.
Ay, time na pala.
Ay, time na daw.